Hello everyone, this is Group 24 and our project title is NMMT Bus App. So we have named our app Navi Bus. As soon as you open the application, once you log in using your mobile number, you get an OTP and then you can arrive at our landing page. So according to the user's need, they can select an AC bus or a non-AC bus. So once they click on the options, this is the interface that opens and accordingly they can select whichever bus they want to travel with. So once they select the bus, they get these details. So basically the different stops which the bus has, the initial stop and the final destination, and then according to the number of travelers, they can add adults, children, and they will receive the payment details according to their number of passengers. And when the bus is actually traveling, the indicator will show which stop it is. Okay, so once they click on proceed to payment, the payment interface will open and then they can select their mode of payment to complete their payment. This is our system for booking a ticket, seeing what destinations the buses are going to, and all the different buses that are available from a specific location. Apart from this, we also have a feedback system. So when we visited NMMT, we saw that they had these features available where users could raise a ticket. Hence, we thought we should add this feature as well in our application. So over here, you have a form which the user can fill and raise a ticket about whatever problem they are facing. So as you can see in the examples below, several users have faced certain issues and they have accordingly submitted feedback. These tickets will then be monitored by the NMMT officials and they continuously keep checking for them, and they also have helped people to get hold of their lost items or things like that within the buses. So this is the website that we have built for Navibus. So along with our Flutter application, this is another feature that we have implemented. So once you log into the website, you will be able to see this landing page where we have built a carousel with images from the NMMT bus app and NMMT buses. Then you can hover to the map section. So over here, according to the routes provided, we have added different locations, and then the user can also see their current location through the red pointer, so they can know where exactly the buses are present, where they have to be to catch the buses. Next, we have the buses section. So these are the details of the buses that you could see in our web application, but here we have more specific details. So this is a based off of the database sample that we received from NMMT. Unfortunately, we could not get their actual database due to logistical issues and due diligence, but we were able to receive a small sample that we used normalized to create this data, and our database is based in Django. So whatever updates are made here from the root section will be visible in our application as well. So let us look at the root section. So this is the exact format in which the table that you are seeing, this is the exact format in which we receive the data. Hence, we have added the similar kind of form to update these routes so that they have no issues in knowing the parameters and everything. So the same sort of form has been given over here, so they can add different routes and those routes will be then visible in our web application. Moving on to the fare section. So over here we have the different destinations, and then based off of the destinations there are fares. So they can navigate to this section if they are just want to know what the fare is instead of looking at the other cumbersome details. Now let us take a look at the feedback section. So in the feedback section, you can see the feedbacks that were submitted in our web application. So the admin can monitor these feedbacks, and also there is a feedback form present so that they can know what exactly the users that are using the application are seeing. Right now, on the home page itself, to make this more accessible, we have built a voice-based chatbot. So the users can ask their specific queries to this chatbot by recording a message. So currently we have used vector shift for building this chatbot, but we are planning to use a different technology which will help us add a 3D avatar and as well train it based off of knowledge bases so that it can answer the most specific queries without hallucination. So these are all the features that we have implemented in our web application alongside and synchronous with our mobile application. So thank you.
So here is a quick demonstration of how our backend is working. I have added a demo bus route for now and a demo feedback form in from our website admin page. As we can see, it has updated itself in the website itself, and now if I log into our app, we can see it is real time updating itself the bus section. And now I go to the feedback section and we can see the recently added feedback as well.